Is the moon made of green cheese? Probably not. But is it made of money? That's a question a lot of people are asking these days. With space exploration booming, the idea of lunar mining and resource extraction is no longer the stuff of science fiction. So, let's dive in and explore the tantalizing possibility: is the moon profitable? First off, what's up there that we want? Well, the moon is a treasure trove of resources, at least potentially. We're talking about helium-3, a rare isotope that could revolutionize nuclear fusion. There's water ice, essential for life support and rocket fuel. And let's not forget those precious metals like platinum and gold, which are scattered across the lunar surface. But extracting these riches is no walk in the park. We're talking about setting up mining operations on another celestial body. That's a whole new level of complexity and cost. You need to get there, survive the harsh lunar environment, and then actually mine the stuff. It's a monumental undertaking. So, is it worth it? Well, the potential rewards are astronomical literally. If we can crack the code on lunar mining, the economic implications could be staggering. Think about fueling our energy needs with clean, abundant fusion power. Imagine a new space economy built on lunar resources. It's a game changer. But let's be real for a second. There are huge challenges ahead. The cost of getting to the moon is still exorbitant. We need to develop technologies for sustainable lunar living and working. And let's not forget the legal and political implications of exploiting another world. So, is the moon profitable? Right now, it's a big question mark. There's a lot of potential, but there's also a lot of risk. It's a long-term play, and it's going to require massive investment and international cooperation. But here's the thing: the moon is a symbol of human ambition. It's a frontier that calls to us. And just like the pioneers who ventured west, there are going to be bold entrepreneurs and visionary governments who will take on this challenge. So, while we might not have a definitive answer today, the journey to unlocking the moon's economic potential is already underway. It's an exciting time to be alive, and who knows? Maybe one day, we'll all be wearing lunar diamond rings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.